This is the second part of healing. And in this part, I talk about how you can maintain your body with good nutrients, good food, after you've been healed. All living organisms need water. Water flushes toxins and waste from the body and transports nutrients to where they are needed. Without water, the contents of the colon can dry out and get stuck, eventually causing constipation. Water is a natural lubricant that softens stool and promotes evacuation of the bowels. Our kidney system is unique in its filtering capabilities and totally dependent upon water, and receives water-soluble toxins from the liver for processing. The kidneys filter voluminous amounts of blood each day, and in doing so, maintain the body's water balance and excrete toxins and excess fluid through the bladder daily. Fluid intake is essential for our bodies to function efficiently. Between the time when food is placed into our mouth until it is processed and left from the body, the digestive system has managed to absorb not only important nutrients but also dangerous toxins. Many of these toxins are introduced into the body through the drinking water, which many may carry foreign contaminants like fertilizers used by farming, which are many miles away, or even closer still, if toxins are actually stationary, part of your mouth, like your tooth filling. Some of these toxins are not easily expelled out of the body. They manage to stay in the digestive system and are lodged in bodily organs that are part of the digestive system, like the liver, pancreas, intestine, and stomach, colon, anus. It is these toxins found in drinking water that are suspected to cause cancers in body organs which are needed for food digestion. Now, here's some of the fruits that are good for your body. Coconut oil. Many studies show that people who add medium chain fatty acids, MCTs, such as coconut oil, to their diet have reduced appetite and start eating fewer calories automatically. Coconut oil is good for weight loss. Coconut oil is good to rub in the skin. Coconut oil does not cause overall weight loss, but leads to a significant reduction in belly fat. There are studies showing that medium chain fatty acids lead to weight loss, reduced waist circumference, and various improvements in metabolic health. It is well known now that people with a large waistline are more prone to cardiovascular diseases. Granny Smith apples. Granny Smith apples are the best apples to help with weight loss. The fiber and polyphenols from this variety of apples remain intact even after they've been subjected to the action of chewing, gastric acid, and digestive enzymes. Once these compounds reach the colon, they produce butyric acid, which promotes good bacterial flora. This rebalancing of the intestinal flora is what leads to weight loss. The apples can provide up to 1/5 of your daily requirements. Granny Smith apples contain only about 80 calories each with skin. Granny Smith apples also contain a lot of natural fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are nutritious health snacks which helps with weight loss and management. Additionally, apple fiber content helps to promote health-efficient digestion. I'll read that again. Additionally, apple fiber content helps to promote healthy, efficient digestion, which also contributes to weight loss. Eating Granny Smith apples helps to resist and fight cancer. Eating apples, that is Granny Smith, resists lung cancer by up to 50%, colon cancer by up to 43%, and liver cancer up to 57%. Cholesterol levels are lowered in those that eat apples as well, which translates to a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and blood pressure disorders. They will strengthen the immune system and disease resistance. So Granny Smith apples are very good for you. Now, clementines. The clementine is a member of the mandarin orange family, and they have no seeds to worry about. The clementine, so they can be given to children. Clementine contains about no fat, is very low in calories, just 47 calories per serving, contains no cholesterol, and is therefore great as a little snack. They're packed with vitamin C, with one serving providing nearly all of the recommended daily intake. Vitamin C boosts our immune system, is thought to slow the onset of Parkinson's disease, helps to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of the hardening of our arteries. These little fruits also provide a good source of the B vitamins, especially folic acid B9 and thiamine B1. Thiamine is thought to help protect us against diabetes. A person deficient in thiamine could have a greater chance of suffering cardiovascular disease. Alcohol inhibits the absorption of thiamine. Folic acid is required for our cell growth to protect us from anemia and for the production of red blood cells. Clementines are very fragrant when peeling and can therefore trigger our body to release endorphins, giving us a feeling of calm. Research tells us that fruit can help to reduce the risk of cancer, stroke, heart disease, Alzheimer's disease, cataracts, and some of the functional declines associated with aging. Now the vegetables. Cabbage. It is low in calories with only 7 calories in half a cup of boiled cabbage. Cabbage provides an excellent source of dietary vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. It contains good amounts of nutrients which support metabolism, including vitamins A, B, B1, B2, and B6. These nutrients maintain tissue health. As you lose weight, in the B complex vitamins also support your metabolism. Cabbage has an effect on blood sugar. Drops in blood sugar can trigger cravings and hunger pangs, which can lead to overweight. Cabbage, overeating, which leads to overweight. Cabbage stabilizes blood sugar and improves glucose tolerance. Blood sugar stabilization is a key component of a diabetic meal plan. Cabbage prevents overeating and stimulates weight loss. The next vegetable is spinach. When it comes to weight loss foods, spinach is a real nutritional powerhouse. A single cup of spinach contains 7 calories and 1 gram of carbohydrate. Plus, it provides you with iron, folate, manganese, magnesium. Sorry, it doesn't provide you with manganese. It provides you with iron, folate, magnesium, calcium, and plenty of antioxidants. Swedish researchers found green leaf membranes called thylakoids boost weight loss by 43% and also reduces food craving by 95%. Membranes gradually slow the digestion process, giving intestinal hormone enough time to signal to the brain that the body is full. Participants taking extracts found it is easier to stick to 3 meals a day and did not experience any cravings. Green tea. Green tea helps people lose weight. Green tea contains many nutrients, including antioxidants and anti-cancer and brain-healthy compounds. Green tea is the healthiest beverage on the planet. It is loaded with antioxidants and various substances that are beneficial to health. Green tea can increase fat burning and help weight loss. These antioxidants are called catechins. The most important of these is the EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, a substance that can boost metabolism. Green tea can help metabolize fat from fat cells. In order to burn fat, it must first be broken down in the fat cell and moved into the bloodstream. The active compounds in the green tea can aid in this process by boosting the effects of some fat burning hormones. The main antioxidant in tea, that is green tea, EGCG, can help inhibit an enzyme that breaks down the hormone norepinephrine. When this enzyme is inhibited, the amount of norepinephrine increases. This hormone is used by the nervous system as a signal to the fat cells, telling them to break down fat. Therefore, more norepinephrine leads to a stronger signal being sent to the fat cell, and more fat gets broken down. Caffeine and EGCG, both found naturally in green tea, may actually have a synergistic effect because caffeine enhances another step in the same pathway. The end result is that the fat cell breaks down more fat, which is released into the bloodstream and becomes available for use as energy by cells that need it, like muscle cells. The substance in green tea increases levels of hormones that tell fat cells to break down fat. This releases fat into the bloodstream and makes it available as energy. Celery is another good vegetable to eat. Celery is characteristic for its higher water content, approximately 95%. This makes it an easily digested food. It is hydrating and has highly diuretic properties. Also helps cleanse the body, and it can prevent stomach and colon cancer. It also possesses anti-inflammatory properties that help control cancer. It also possesses anti-inflammatory properties that help control blood pressure and that can fight insomnia, and it can even frequently effectively alleviate fevers and allergies. These vegetables contain essential oils like limonene and selenin, which are what gives celery its diuretic properties. They are found in larger amounts in the stalk and seeds. The essential oils in celery also have a great antibacterial properties which can help eliminate any infection or toxic substance that could be found in the kidneys. Now, fat cells. Fat cells and toxins. If one is struggling with excess weight and fatigue, plus very sluggish metabolism, the best thing to do is detoxify. A fatty liver is an obstacle to weight loss and good health. Because it is storing fat and toxins, improving liver function is often the trigger for easier weight loss and higher energy. Toxins overload the detoxification pathways, your liver, and also block enzymes that burn fat. Toxins slow down your metabolism and also increase risk to cancer and cause skin rashes and allergies. Pollutants bind to your fat cells, and they are mostly found in fatty tissue. Many toxins are fat soluble and must be made water soluble by your liver to be able to be eliminated from your body in the water soluble liquids such as bile, sweat, and urine. These toxins keep building up inside the body year after year. Obesogenic compounds, fat soluble toxins, and heavy metals make your fat cells grow bigger, damaging both the mitochondria and the beta cells. Beta cells are insulin producers in the pancreas. This starts insulin resistance, and diabetes and obesity starts. The pollutants are also considered endocrine disruptors. Fat tissue acts on endocrine organ and releases hormones such as leptin that regulate the appetite, satiety, and ability to burn calories. Endocrine disruptors can also slow down thyroid function, which can slow metabolism. The chlorophyll in green leafy vegetables has the ability to bind with a variety of toxic substances and remove these from the body with the bowel movement. green tea is very useful for this. The main compound EGCG is also a powerful weapon when it comes to relieving the toxic load. It helps relieve the body of the polychlorinated biophenols and pollutants. Master oxidant glutathione is made in the liver. Glutathione needs selenium to work. Glutathione is an antioxidant. I will talk about antioxidants another day in another part. I hope you've enjoyed listening to me, and I hope you've understood everything I've said. So, to sum up, it is important to drink lots of water, between 1.5 and 2 liters a day. The good oil to fry with or to cook with is coconut oil. You can also buy this as capsules to eat, and it's good for you. Granny Smith apples are the best apples of the bunch, but the other apples are just as good, but these ones are better. Clementines are very good, easy to snack on, but the one thing about clementines is the thing that surrounds the juice actually is not digested. So this goes through your entire intestine, sweeping, as it were, and taking with it anything that's stuck, anything that shouldn't be there. So if you eat them regularly and get this sac that contains the juice inside, and that sweeps you, you get rid of most of the things that will contain toxins and damage your health. Cabbage again is very good for you. Some people even drink cabbage soup. Spinach is another very good thing to eat regularly. Green tea, celery. You see, all these things should be eaten on a regular basis, not just once a month or once a week, but on a regular basis. Some of, they stimulate your system, they cleanse your system, they sweep up your intestine. They're really, really good for you. So I hope that if you want eating them, you will start eating them. Thank you for listening to me.